have diabetes, and if you have fatty liver, out na lang.
Okay.
Or, yes, kaya nga nagkape. Ba't ba tayo nagkape?
Pwedeng kalahati lang.
Okay. Alright. Very good. I-observe natin. To those who want to, syempre, baka pwede naman. Ha? Okay, do that. Then, after 2 hours, check your sugar. Because hindi lahat ng mga tao or patient that are diabetic, pag nag-consume ng natural sweetener, nag-spike ang sugar. Hindi lahat. So, check. Yes, after 2 hours, check yung sugar. Pag hindi siya nag-spike, ang goal natin yan is 125 milligrams per deciliter. Pag hindi nag-spike na above doon,